First, of course, I want to get a reaction from Ashutoshsrivastava, advocate of the Supreme Court, to sort of just put these developments in context, Ashutosh, for the benefit of our viewers. As far as Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI is concerned, he was questioned in Tihar jail. He was being produced in court. He was produced in court in connection with the ED case. And that's when the CBI actually arrests him. So like Aishwarya was also explaining to us right now, how does this entire thing work? While he's still in ED custody, he's been arrested by the CBI. Will they now be joint custody? How will it work?
See, first of all, when one agency, investigating agency, does the investigation of a case, so at the same time, the other agency is also having the right to investigate the matter if the matter pertains to the other agency.
Okay.
Now, in this case, if we see, the Enforcement Directorate was investigating the matter pertaining to the money laundering, and the CBI is investigating about the alleged crime, if any, which has taken place or not taken place, whatever it is. So now there are two different agencies which are investigating the matter. Earlier, Mr. Kejriwal was arrested in the Enforcement Directorate case. Now the CBI says we also want the custody and we want to interrogate further, So here the court has to be satisfied while granting remand, that why his investigation was not done when he was already under the custody of Enforcement Directorate. Because when the judicial custody was given, he was in Tihar jail. Even during that period, he could have been investigated. However, if the court is satisfied and convinced that during that period of time, maybe because of elections, as CBI is saying, or maybe for whatever reasons, maybe the Supreme Court granted bail for elections, etc., etc. So these things, if it comes to the knowledge of the court, and when the court is completely satisfied, then only a fresh remand can be given to CBI. Now, supposingly, if the court grants a fresh remand to CBI, then he may be taken from Tihar jail to the CBI headquarter or any other place wherever they take permission from the court, and then they can investigate the matter further. And thereafter, the trial court will decide whether the custody is over, whether the investigation by CBI is over. Then it can again shift him back to the judicial custody, which could be Tihar jail, and then he will have further rights to apply for bail in the other matter as well, which is before CBI. Apart from that, if his remand is given by the trial court in the CBI case, then he can challenge that order also before the higher court for the grounds which he would raise legally,
and
for his further extension.